Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over hybrid with the Flinger at Town Hall level 12. So this is going to be very similar to what you would do at Town Hall level 11, except you have one more corner being taken out like the Queen Walk, so your hogs have less to go down. However, this only works on very specific bases, the bases where your Flinger can get value, so you will still be swapping between this and other hybrid versions. Alright, so here's the army. The army is going to be 5 healers, 1 minion, 17 hog riders, 13 miners, 2 baby dragons, 2 super wall breakers, some archers, which you can replace with something else if you'd like. You have your king, queen, warden, 2 heals, 1 rage, 4 freeze, 1 poison, and then in clan castle you have 1 rage, 8 hog riders, and of course your Flinger. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into an example. Now, analyzing this base, we are going to use the Flinger, and this is not a very good base to use the Flinger on. So you'll see at the very end it gets very close. However, on bases where the Flinger is much better, you'll have a lot more value and they will go down more easily. So to start out, we're going to put the Flinger and the queen down at the exact same time. The Flinger works mostly as a place it and forget about it. However, you might need to watch it once you get more comfortable with using it, because there are a couple things that can take it out, like skeletons and the Teslas. Alright, and then we wait. We want the queen to do the stuff the queen needs to do, such as taking down heroes, taking out this clan castle, and stuff like that, while the Flinger works. Now here we're engaging the clan castle. I was a little bit late on freezing the minions, so I had to use my ability, but usually with super minions you want to be on it very quickly. There, I used a super wall breaker to open the wall into that compartment. Alright, so now that we've done all of that, we are going to do the hybrid from this angle right here, since we got all of this defeated by our Flinger and queen. So like usual, we're going to put our king and then our miners and hog riders behind. And then make sure you're healing your hog riders whenever you need them to be healed. The warden ability, king might have been a little bit late. The hog riders are aiming toward the left, so they're not quite going where we want them to go. But if you get your king down at the right time, they will not do that. Here using the freeze against that multi-inferno tower so it doesn't get a lot of free damage while that tornado trap goes off. And here the attack is close to being done. Now as you can see, this isn't the best base for it, so the attack is very close. It gets down to the last couple of seconds. However, a base that is much better for this will go down a lot easier and you'll have time to spare, because I had to wait to get my hog riders down. Usually you want to get your hog riders placed around a minute of 45. Later than that and you're risking a time fail. Alright, so that's going to be it for this one.